Welcome to you all, talented student and curious student in Kanha Math classes, that is KMC for 12th Math under CBSE board based on NCERT pattern. In the continuation of previous videos, I am going to solve some more problems regarding the area of parallelograms, rectangles. In this reference, in question number 10, the vectors of adjacent sides of a parallelogram are given such that vector A is equal to I minus j plus 3k and vector B is equal to 2I minus 7j plus k. These vectors or the adjacent sides, vectors of adjacent side, the sides whose beginning are the same. Hence, in order to find out the area of this parallelogram, we first of all we will find out the cross product of these two vectors A and B. Now, cross product of vector A and B is equal to I, j, k. The coefficient of I, j, k in vector A are 1, minus 1 and this is 3, and the coefficient of I, j, k in second vector, that is in vector B, are 2, minus 7, 1. By expanding this determinant in terms of the element of first row of the determinant, I, this row and this column, minus 1 into 1, minus 1 into 1, minus 3 into minus 7, 3 into minus 7, minus j into detaching this column and this row, 1 into 1, 1 into 1 minus 2 into 3. Now this is minus 1 into 1 minus 1 and this is minus 3 into minus 7, this is 21 plus 21 minus 1, that is 20I, and this is 1 minus 6 minus 5 plus 5j, 20I plus 5j, 21 minus 1, 20, and here minus 6 plus 1 minus 5 and minus plus 5j, and here we have left k, one into minus 7, 1 into minus 7 minus 2 into minus 1, 2 into minus 1. This will be minus 7 k minus 7 minus 2 plus 2, or ultimately this will be 20I plus 5j and minus 5k, minus 5k. Hence, mod of A cross B is equal to under root 20 square plus 5 square plus minus 5 square is equal to 20 square means 400, and this is 25 plus 25. 25 plus 25 means under root 450. And you have to find out the under root of 450 means hence the mode of vector AB means the area of parallelogram. It will be area of parallelogram is equal to under root, this will be 225 into 2, it means 15 root 2. This will be the requisite answer. Here in question number 11, it's given the mode of vector is 3 and that mode of vector V is root 2 by 3, while cross product of vector AB is a unit vector. Then what will be the angle between the two vectors, that is A and B? For this, A cross B is equal to 1. Since it's given A cross B is a unit vector, hence A cross B is equal to mod of A mod of B into sin theta. 1 mod of A means 3 and this is root 2 upon 3 into sin theta. 3 will be cut by 3 or 1 will be equal to root 2 sin theta, or sin theta is equal to 1 upon root 2 means sin pi by 4, or theta is equal to pi by 4, and you have given a many option of the answer, and pi by 4 is the option B. This is option B. Hence, this is the requisite answer. Now, in the question number 12, you have to find out the area of rectangle ABCD whose vertices are, that's A minus I plus 1 by 2j plus 4k, B of B I plus 1 by 2j plus 4k, C I minus 1 by 2j plus 4k, and the vertices of D are minus I minus 1 by 2j plus 4k. Here we see in a rectangle we have to find out the vector of two adjacent sides of rectangle, that's if this is A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D, then we must first find out the adjacent sides, vector of the two adjacent sides, that is AB, AD. Vector of two adjacent sides of the rectangle ABCD or ABAD. ABAD. Of two adjacent sides of a rectangle CD or vector AB means position vector of B minus position vector of A. That is position vector of B. Position vector of B means I plus half j, I plus half j plus 4k minus position vector of A means minus I plus half j plus 4k means I minus I means plus I plus I means 2I, half j minus half j. Here you will see plus half j and here it's minus half j, j will be cancelled, and here it will be minus 4k and here it will be plus 4k. Both will be cancelled, 0j plus 0k. Vector of one of the adjacent side AB is this. In the same way, the another adjacent side is AD. Vector AD is equal to position vector of D minus position vector of A. Means position vector of D means minus I minus half j, minus I minus half j plus 4k minus position vector of A means minus I plus half j plus 4k. You will see clearly minus I, and this is the minus plus I, it will cancel, means shun I, 0I, this will be 0I minus half j, and this is the minus half j, means minus j. Minus half j and means minus half j will be equal to minus j minus 4k and plus 4k and plus 4k. 4k minus 4k, it means 0k. Or this will be equal to, minus j, this is second, and here this will be equal to plus 2I, 2I 0k plus k 2I, because you have seen 2I and here we will get minus I minus plus I means 0 into I, and this is minus 1 by 2j, here also minus 1 by 2j means j, and this is 4k and minus 4k means 0k means j. Now the area of rectangle, area of a rectangle ABCD is equal to cross AB cross vector AD and here due to lack of space AB cross vector AB into AD is equal to IJK, and this is the in first coefficient of IJK 2 0 0, and in second the coefficient of IJK 0 minus 1 0. By expanding the determinant in terms of the element of first row, we will have I into 0 0 minus 0 and I 0 0 minus 1 0 means 0 minus j 2 into 0 means 0 minus 0 0 means 0 plus k 2 into minus 1 2 into minus 1 minus 0 0. Now this is 0, this is 0, and this is minus 2k, this is minus 2k. Now mod of vector AB cross vector of mod of vector AB and AD is equal to under root minus 2 square plus 0 square plus 0 square is equal to 4, that's equal to 2. This is the requisite answer of the area of rectangle, that's 2, and this is the vikalp option C. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe the video. Many thanks to you.